This is Hidden Systems, where we explain the invisible forces shaping money, power, and everyday life. Subscribe and follow to stay ahead of the next video drop. Stay informed, not confused. AI, jobs, and the future of work. What AI will replace, what it will empower, and who decides. Artificial intelligence is changing how we work. But what will AI replace? What will it empower, and who decides? AI is a system. Like any system, it has predictable outcomes. Some jobs will be automated. This is a transfer of labor. Repetitive tasks are most at risk. Data entry, customer service, and manufacturing jobs could see significant changes. AI excels at optimization. When a task is routine, AI can often do it faster and cheaper. But AI also creates opportunities. It empowers workers to focus on higher-level tasks. Think of AI as a tool that amplifies human capabilities. AI can handle data analysis. This frees up human workers to focus on strategy and decision-making. New jobs will emerge. AI specialists, data scientists, and AI trainers will be in demand. The future of work isn't just about replacement. It's about collaboration. AI can assist doctors in diagnosing diseases. It helps architects design buildings. It provides personalized learning experiences for students. The key is adaptation. Workers need to develop new skills. Skills that complement AI. Critical thinking, creativity, and complex problem-solving will be essential. Who decides which jobs are replaced and which are empowered? This is a question of incentives. Companies optimize for profit. They invest in AI to increase efficiency. Policymakers can shape the outcome. They can invest in education and training programs. This helps workers adapt to the changing landscape. They can also create incentives for companies to prioritize worker well-being. The future of work is not predetermined. It's a choice about how we use AI. We can design systems that benefit everyone. Systems that empower workers and create a more equitable future. Understanding the system is the first step. Recognizing the incentives is crucial. AI is a tool. It's up to us to decide how to use it. At Hidden Systems, we explain the invisible systems that quietly shape money, power, and everyday life. Subscribe and follow to stay ahead of the next hidden systems we uncover. Stay informed, not confused.